And today, guys, we are going to be making an origami bookmark. The materials you will be needing is a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and some Sharpies. Or if you don't have any Sharpies, you can use some markers or some crayons. So now we will be starting to make the origami bookmark. We'll just need the piece of paper for now. So we have to take the bottom right corner and fold it diagonally up. And then make sure it's even by the bottom corner also. Make sure the paper is really good and neat. And hold it and then make a crease in the paper. So now that we have folded it and creased it, the paper, we're going to be taking our pair of scissors and cutting off the excess piece of paper. So now we can just open up our piece of paper that we just cut it into a perfect square. So now as we see this line right here, we're going to take the bottom right corner again and put it up, making sure it reaches the line. Creasing it. So now as we have it like this, our line, we will fold it in front. Flip. So you should have this. Now we're going to flip it over so you can see it's going to be like this. So we're just going to take our 2 points right here and bring it down to this first. So bring it down right here. Then make a crease. And do the same exact on the other side. Oh, well, there you have it, guys. And you can open this up so you can stick it on the page.
Wow. I like it.
Thanks.
Can I color it?
Sure. Here are the markers, and here's the bookmark.
Yes.
In the meanwhile, Vidhi's coloring, I will be showing you how to use the bookmark. So, I got my book here, and I got my bookmark. So, how to place it on is there's the slot, and when I want to stop reading, I easily put it on. So I can continue reading again. Close my book. Next time you want to read, just simply open up back to your page, take out the bookmark. Happy reading!
Done, Dhruvi.
Wow, looks so amazing. Look, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications bell.
And make sure to comment down below for more videos.